Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today we will take writing class of task 2. So it's a 8 band sample. You can read. My topic is countries are becoming more and more similar because people are able to buy the same products anywhere in the world. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So this is my model answer which you can read. And the words which I bold are really important for you, so please read it. Okay, so countries are becoming more and more similar because people are able to buy the same products anywhere in the world. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So you have to take one side. It's a positive or it's a negative. So in first line, I clear that I think it's beneficial that goods like food, cars, furniture and clothes that are produced in a certain part of the world are now available almost everywhere, which means the similarities between various countries are growing. Okay, so I take the side of positive development. BP1 is people in different regions means countries, nations, now have access to products they couldn't use before. There are numerous goods that are produced only in some parts of the world. Here we used certain part of the world and here we used some part of the world. So please write vocabulary words also. You can use these all words in your other task 2 topics. So people living in other places couldn't normally take advantage of them in the past. For example, bananas and pineapples are grown in tropical countries and so they don't used to be available to consumers. Consumers means customers in colder countries like Russia and Canada. Nevertheless, most people in such countries are now able to buy and eat these beneficial fruits. Next is BP2. Furthermore, people can now migrate. Migrate means move, travel to different countries with less fear of becoming homesick since the products they are used to are now available in shops wherever they go. For instance, means for example, Iranian immigrants couldn't cook their national dish gom sabji in other parts of the globe means world, because the specific vegetables required were not grown there. However, as they can access all these ingredients in shops and supermarkets around the world today, they do not miss a significant means important part of their culture heritage anymore, allowing them to work and live more productively. So this is the BP3. Here you will take one side and you took the positive side. So this paragraph is for positive side. Some may argue that the global spread of similar goods and the growing similarity between countries can reduce people's motivation to travel to other parts of the world. Results are decreasing tourism and the revenue it brings to countries. But I think people will still travel to see and experience the natural features of other countries like forest, mountains and wildlife. In conclusion, I believe, here we also take a side, I believe the growing similarity between countries around the world is a desirable development, means a positive development. People can now take advantage of beneficial goods from other countries and immigrants can be less stressed and more productive. So this is my topic. I hope you will definitely like this model answer, and please write these all bold words which you can use in your every topic of task 2. I hope you will like this video, and please do comment in comment section if you want more videos of writing task 1 or task 2 as well. Thank you.